How to make Google Chrome your default browser on Android phone. The manufacturer of your phone could try to keep you using their browser. Whatever phone you have, I am sure that most of the manufacturers have worked much on bringing you a browser that is fast and easy to use. But what if you want to use the Google Chrome browser? You can do that very quickly. To change the default browser, open the settings. Find the option Apps and Notification and tap it. If you do not find this, try to find only Apps or Application, as this might be different depending on the version of Android and the manufacturer of your phone. Now on the bottom of the list, tap on Advanced. Now tap on Default Apps. Tap on the Browser app. How you can see, my default browser app is Brave. Select Chrome. Tap on the back arrow. Now your browser has changed to Chrome on your Android phone. You are now using Google Chrome as a default browser. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.